So the next one we're going to do is we're going to solve the systems with substitution. So like when I am not here, there's a sub here for me, right? There's somebody taking my place. So that's basically what we're going to do here. We're going to solve for a variable and let it take the place. So it works out well when they give you problems like number 7 where it says y equals 3. So y equals 3, because that's nice. You don't have to do anything. You just got to plug that in. And I got 7x minus 4y equals negative 12. Okay. Y equals 3, great. Just put it in the equation. 7x minus 4 times 3 equals negative 12. 7x equals 0. X equals 0. Do I need to plug that back in to find y? No, they already gave me y. They told me y was 3. So we have a solution at 0, 3. So again, if you have a solution and you have a point, it's a consistent, independent system. The lines are intersecting. Okay? The lines are going to intersect. Number 9, negative 2x minus 5y equals negative 4. Negative 5x plus 3y equals 21. If you were not told which process to use, I would probably not use substitution on this one. I would use elimination. That's just me. But we got to use substitution. So I need to solve for one of the variables. So what variable do you want to solve for, x or y? Okay, we'll solve for y. You're going to solve for y with the top equation or the bottom equation? Bottom. So far, it's what everybody's done. All right. So negative 5x plus 3y equals 21. 3y equals 5x plus 21. Y equals 5/3 x plus 7. Don't plug this back into this one. You can't put it back in there. You're going to say 21 equals 21. Good job. Don't put it in there. Okay? It's got to go into the one you didn't change. So what's going to happen is now we have an equation for y. The one before it just gave us a number. That whole thing. What? Okay. Somebody mumbled something. Okay, that whole thing is going to go in for that y. So, negative 2x minus 5 times 5/3 x plus 7 equals negative 4. So we're going to distribute the negative 5 into the parentheses. So negative 2x minus 25 over 3x minus 35 equals negative 4. I need to put the x's together. What has to be the same when you add fractions? The denominator. Okay, so if I end up with the like denominator, what's the numerator going to be for the 2? Negative 6. So negative 6/3 x minus 25 over 3x equals 31. I'll move the 35 over. Put those together. Negative 31/3 x equals 31. So to get x by itself, I would divide by negative 31/3. Dividing by a fraction is the same thing as multiplying by what? The reciprocal. Now, we are not dealing with perpendicular lines, so it's not the opposite reciprocal. It's just, this one is negative 31/3, so when I multiply by the reciprocal, I'm going to multiply by negative 3 over 31. Your 31s will cancel out. I got x equals negative 3. Does that kind of make sense? Okay, it's a lot of math to get to negative 3. But you're not done yet. We're going to take that negative 3, and where are we going to put it? Back into one of the equations. We can put it in the top one or the bottom one. Which one? The top? Alright, so this x is going to go all the way up here for that x. Yeah, it is. So I have negative 2 times negative 3 minus 5y equals negative 4. 6 minus 5y equals negative 10. Y equals negative 2. Plug it back into one of your equations to check it. No, I'm not going to. Negative 3, negative 2. Questions? Yeah, there will be one like that on the test that you have to do all that.